there's always a bigger threat. Welcome to the Abyss Garden, a secluded land where we create daily pathways, tarot cards made to help nurture our creativity, to inspire new stories and illustrations. Today's illustration portrays the weary gardener, a goofy robot who managed to avoid the deep slumber that its companions went through, and who kept on pursuing its gardening tasks for the last centuries. In this scene, we will find him escaping encroaching flames, as he carries with him a tiny blob he was meant to destroy. But without further ado, let's discover the 3 pathways we drew to help us create this new illustration. The others was first, and it states that one's point of view attracts others' curiosity. I decided to represent this idea as these spreading flames, once meant as a barrier to protect the sleeping artifacts from the blobs, and that we now find reaching out to try to engulf this unknown robot, probably in order to bring it to sleep with his elder companions. Second came the memory of all, which states that knowledge without a point of view is senseless. Here what came to my mind was to emphasize the emotions of our weary gardener, this unique personality that might have made him refuse to fall asleep. Through this holographic symbol emerging from his head, we can perceive his refusal to get captured by these unknown flames. And finally, the last card we drew was the divided fate, which states that one single change leads to drastically different outcomes. This pathway is the one that initially led me to portray these flames, an intriguing material made of abyssal pieces, and which properties are unknown, the sum of their parts leading to a new kind of entity lurking within the garden. And there you have it, 3 pathways turn into one illustration, and from it, a new card has joined our collection, the Withdrawal, which states that there's always a bigger threat. If you end up drawing this card during your creative endeavours, it might lead your characters to forego their initial quest in order to follow a greater purpose. It might bring a grave danger to your lands, or it might even see emerge feelings of apathy as your main character realizes the impossibility of changing its world for the better. But these are only a few examples among the endless ideas that your unique point of view could lead to, and I would be really curious to know how this new card could influence your creations. Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts. If you would like to acquire some pathway cards to nurture your own creativity, or if you'd like to see your unique point of view shape the garden, all the information you need will be waiting for you in the description. Have a nice day, and see you tomorrow for a new pathway.